Next, balancing of redox reactions. Redox reactions can be balanced by using two methods, oxidation number method and ion electron method. First one is oxidation number method, second one is ion electron method or half reaction method. Let us balance one equation by using this oxidation number method. Dichromate plus sulfite gives rise to chromium plus sulfate ions in acidic medium. Let us balance this equation, this redox reaction by using oxidation number method. Dichromate plus sulfite gives rise to chromium plus sulfate ions. So here first write down the oxidation number of every element on its symbol. In the first step, write down the oxidation number of every element on its symbol. In dichromate ion, oxidation number of chromium is plus 6. For oxygen, minus 2. In sulfite, for sulfur, oxidation number is plus 4. For oxygen, minus 2. For chromium, already plus 3 is given. In sulfate, oxidation number of sulfur is plus 6. For oxygen, minus 2. First write down the oxidation number of every element on its symbol. See here reactant side 2 chromiums are there, but here only 1 chromium is there. Balance that number of chromiums, 2 chromiums. Write down the oxidation number of every element on its symbol and identify the elements whose oxidation numbers have changed. Here chromium oxidation number changes from plus 6 to plus 3 and sulfur oxidation number changes from plus 4 to plus 6. For remaining atoms, no change. Chromium oxidation number changes from plus 6 to plus 3. Sulfur oxidation number changes from plus 4 to plus 6. Here dichromate, 1 mole of dichromate ion contains 2 chromiums. 1 mole of dichromate ion contains 2 chromiums. For each chromium oxidation number is plus 6. Then 2 into plus 6 gives rise to, here also 2 chromiums, 2 into plus 3 plus 6. Here plus 12 to plus 6. Oxidation number of chromium changes from plus 6 to plus 3. But for 1 mole of dichromate ion, that change in oxidation number is 6 units. Plus 12 to plus 6 means 6 units. That I am writing here 6. Next, in sulfite, oxidation number of chromium is plus 4. In sulfate, plus 6. Plus 4 to plus 6, change is 2 units. This is first step. Write down the oxidation number of every element on its symbol and identify the elements whose oxidation numbers have changed. Next step, equalize the increase in the oxidation number, with decrease in oxidation number. Equalize the increase in oxidation number with the decrease in oxidation number. So here decrease is 6, increase is 2. Equalize that one. For that we should multiply with 3. If you multiply with 3, 3 into 2, 6. Here already 6 is there. So dichromate plus 3 into 2 na 3 into whole this sulfite to sulfate. 3 sulfite ions gives rise to 2 moles of chromium ions plus 3 moles of sulfate ions. This is second step. Next, balancing of charges. The charges can be balanced by adding H plus ions. Balancing of charges by H plus ions. Balancing of charges by H plus ions. Reactant side minus 2, 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Here minus 2, here minus 6. Total minus 8. Reactant side minus 8 is there. Product side 2 into plus 3 plus 6. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 2 into plus 3 plus 6. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Total 0. So reactant side minus 8. Product side 0. Balancing of charges by H plus ions. Reactant side minus 8 is there. Product side 0 is there. So add 8 moles of H plus ions towards reactant sides. Dichromate plus 3 sulfite ions plus 8 moles of H plus ions gives rise to 2Cr plus 3 plus 3 sulfate ions. Balancing of charges by H plus ions. Next, fourth step, balancing of hydrogen atoms. Balancing of hydrogen atoms. See for that, see a reactant side 8 hydrogens are there, product side no hydrogens. Reactant side 8 hydrogens, product side no hydrogens. So dichromate plus 3 moles of sulfite ions plus 8 moles of H plus ions gives rise to 2Cr plus 3 plus 3 sulfate ions plus 8 hydrogens add 4 moles of water molecules. To balance these hydrogens, add 4 moles of water molecules. Now once again check all the atoms. Reactant side 2 chromiums. Reactant side number of oxygens 7, 3 3s 9, 9 plus 7 16, 3 4s 12, 12 plus 4 16. Oxygens balanced. Reactant side 16 oxygens, product side also 16 oxygens. Hydrogens 8 hydrogens, product side also 8 hydrogens. Charges minus 2, minus 6, minus 8, minus 8 plus 8, minus 8 plus 8, 0. Product side plus 6, minus 6, 0. Everything is balanced. First step, write down the oxidation number of every element on its symbol and identify the elements whose oxidation numbers have changed. Second step, equalize the increase in oxidation number with the decrease in oxidation number. Here decrease is 6 units, increase is 2 units. Equalize that. For that, multiply with 3. Same thing, multiply sulfite into sulfate also. 3 moles sulfite to 3 moles sulfate. Next, balancing of charges by H plus ions. Reactant side minus 8 is there, product side 0. Then add 8 moles of H plus ions towards reactant side. Next, balancing of hydrogen atoms. To balance hydrogen atoms, add 4 moles of water molecules towards product side. Finally, check once again. Everything is balanced. So this is oxidation number method. In acidic medium, I will give one example in basic medium also. Second example, permanganate plus Br minus gives rise to MnO2 plus BrO3 minus. Balance this equation by using oxidation number methods in basic medium. MnO4 minus is permanganate ion. Permanganate ion oxidizes bromide into bromate ion. Permanganate ion oxidizes bromide ion into bromate ion. First step, write down the oxidation number of every element on its symbol and identify the elements whose oxidation numbers have changed. MnO4 minus plus Br minus gives rise to MnO2 plus BrO3 minus. Write down the oxidation number. In permanganate ion, oxidation number of manganese is plus 7 for oxygen minus 2. for bromine. Already here -1 is given. In MnO2, oxidation number of manganese is +4, for oxygen -2. In bromate ion, in BrO3 minus ion, oxidation number of bromine is +5, for oxygen -2. So here oxidation number of manganese and bromine changes. Oxidation number of manganese changes from +7 to +4. Oxidation number of manganese changes from +7 to +4 or decreases from +7 to +4, then 3 units. Next, bromine. Oxidation number of bromine -1 to +5. -1 to +5. Oxidation number of bromine changes from -1 to +5 or increases from -1 to +5. -1 to +5 means 6 units. Increase is 6 units. Now equalize the increase in oxidation number with the decrease in oxidation number. Second step is equalize the increase in oxidation number with the decrease in oxidation number. For that, this one multiply with 2. Increase is 6 units, decrease is 3 units. Then multiply with 2. Then it becomes 2MnO4 minus plus Br minus gives rise to 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus. Equalize the increase in oxidation number with decrease in oxidation number. Increase is 6 units, decrease is 3 units, multiply with 2. 2 into. Here also 2 into. Next, third step, balancing of charges by adding H plus ions. Here reaction is taking place in basic medium. If the given reaction takes place in acidic medium, charges can be balanced by adding H plus ions. But if the reaction takes place in basic medium, then charges can be balanced by adding OH minus ions. So balancing of charges by OH minus ions. Balancing of charges by OH minus ions. Reactant side 2 into -1 -2. Br -1. Total -3. Reactant side -3. Product sides -1. Reactant side -3. Product side -1. Then we should add OH minus ions towards product sides. How many OH minus ions we should add? 2 moles. We should add 2 moles of OH minus ions. Here -3 is there. Here only -1 is there. So to balance the charges, to balance the charge, we should add 2 moles of OH minus ions. Then 2MnO4 minus plus Br minus gives rise to 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus 2 moles of OH minus ions. Charges balanced. Next, balancing of hydrogen atoms. Fourth step is balancing of hydrogen atoms. Balancing of hydrogen atoms. Product side 2 hydrogens are there. Then add 1 mole of water molecule. 1 mole of water molecules towards reactant side. 2MnO4 minus plus Br minus plus H2O gives rise to 2MnO2 plus BrO3 minus plus 2 moles of OH minus ions. 2 moles of OH minus ions. Now check once again all the atoms. 2 manganese atoms. 2 manganese atoms. 2 4s 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 oxygen atoms. Reactant side 9 oxygen atoms. Product side 4 plus 3 7. 7 plus 2 9. Product side also number of oxygen atoms 9. So oxygen is balanced. Next, bromines. 1 bromine. Here also 1 bromine. Hydrogens 2. Here also 2. So everything is balanced. Even charges also. -2, -1, -3. -1, -2. 2 into -1, -2, -1, -3. Product side also. -1, 2 into -1, -2, total -3. Everything is balanced. So this is oxidation number method. Balancing of redox reactions by oxidation number method. Next, second method. Second method is ion electron method. Ion electron method or half reaction method. Ion electron method or half reaction method. Let us take this equation. Dichromate plus ferrous gives rise to chromium plus ferric in acidic medium. Dichromate ion oxidizes ferrous ion into ferric ion. This is the given reaction. This equation we should balance by using ion electron methods. See here also in the first step, write down the oxidation number of every element on its symbol. Write down the oxidation number of every element. In dichromate, oxidation number of chromium is +6. For oxygen, -2. For ferrous, already +2 is given. Chromium, +3 is given. Ferrous, +3 is given. Here, oxidation number of chromium decreases from +6 to +3. Decreasing of oxidation number is called reduction reaction. +6 to +3. Oxidation number of chromium decreases from +6 to +3. Decreasing of oxidation number is called reduction half reaction. This is reduction reaction. Next, oxidation number of ferrous increases from +2 to +3. Oxidation number of ferrous increases from +2 to +3. Increasing of oxidation number is called oxidation. So, given reaction divided into two half reactions. Oxidation half reaction, oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction. Reduction half reaction. Here oxidation half reaction is Fe plus 2 gives rise to Fe plus 3. Reduction half reaction is dichromate ion into chromium ion Cr plus 3. See here, first balance the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Balance atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. In this equation, reactant side, only one ferrous atom is there. Here also only one ferrous atom is there. Then no need to balance. Already balanced. In this equation, reactant side, 7 oxygen atoms are there, but product side, no oxygen atoms. Balance atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Other than oxygen and hydrogen, here chromium atoms are there. How many are there? 2 are there, but product side only 1 is there. So write 2. 2 moles of Cr plus 3. So chromium is balanced. Next, balancing of hydrogen atoms. Here no hydrogen atoms. Here first balancing of atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Next, balance oxygen atoms. Here no oxygen atoms. In this reaction, no oxygen atoms. But here reactant side, 7 moles of oxygen atoms are there. Product side, no oxygen atoms. Dichromate gives rise to 2 moles of Cr plus 3 plus. If the reaction takes place in acidic medium, then oxygens can be balanced by adding water molecules. 7 oxygens add 7 moles of water molecules. Now oxygens balanced. 7 oxygen atoms, 7 oxygen atoms. Now balancing of hydrogens. Here no hydrogen atoms. In this oxidation half reaction, no hydrogen atoms. But in reduction half reaction, product side 14 hydrogens are there. Reactant side no hydrogens. Then balance that hydrogen atoms by adding H plus ions. 14 hydrogens are there. 14 H plus ions gives rise to 2Cr plus 3 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. So chromiums, oxygens and hydrogens are balanced. Now balancing of charges. Balancing of charges. In this reaction, in the first half reaction, plus 2 is there, reactant side plus 2 is there, product side plus 3 is there. Balance that charge. Fe plus 2 gives rise to Fe plus 3 plus electron. Plus 2 plus 3 minus 1 plus 2. Charges balanced. In second half reaction, reactant side minus 2 plus 14 minus 2 plus 14 plus 12 plus 12 is there. Here 2 into plus 3 plus 6 is there. Reactant side plus 12 is there, product side plus 6 is there. We should balance that charge by adding H plus ions. So here we should add 6 moles of electrons. Towards reactant side, if we add 6 moles of electrons plus 12 minus 6, because we know that electron carries negative charge. 6 moles of electrons means minus 6 plus 12 minus 6 plus 6. Here already plus 6 is there. So charges can be balanced. So to balance the charges, I am adding electrons. How many moles of electrons? 6 moles of electrons gives rise to 2Cr plus 3 plus 7H2O. So charges are balanced. See now, in first half reaction 1 mole of electrons are involved, but in second half reaction 6 moles of electrons are involved. Equalize that. In first half reaction, in oxidation half reaction 1 mole of electrons are involved, but in second half reaction 6 moles of electrons are involved. For that, just crisscross it, means into 6, here into 1, multiply with the 6, then this equation becomes 6 Fe plus 2 gives rise to 6 Fe plus 3 plus 6 moles of electrons. So now in first half reaction 6 moles of electrons, in second half reaction also 6 moles of electrons. Here remember this one, in the first half reaction electrons are towards the product side, then in second half reaction electrons should be left hand side. Here product side, then here reactant side. Now add these two reactions. Adding of these two half reactions. First half reaction is 6 Fe plus 2 gives rise to 6 Fe plus 3 plus 6 moles of electrons. Second half reaction, dichromate ion plus 14 moles of H plus ions plus 6 moles of electrons gives rise to 2 moles of Cr plus 3 ions plus 7 moles of water molecules. Add these two reactions. First half reaction, second half reaction. Electrons will be cancelled. Dichromate plus 6 moles of Fe plus 2 ions plus 14 moles of H plus ions gives rise to 2 moles of Cr plus 3 ions plus 6 moles of Fe plus 3 ions plus 7 moles of water molecules. Dichromate ion, 1 mole of dichromate ions plus 6 moles of Fe plus ions plus 14 moles of H plus ions gives rise to 2 moles of Cr plus 3 ions plus 6 moles of Fe plus ions plus 7 moles of water. Now once again check all the atoms. Reactant side, 2 chromiums. Product side also 2 chromiums. Reactant side number of oxygens 7. Here also 7 oxygen atoms. Ferrous atoms 6. Here also 6 hydrogens 14. 7 2 is 14. Now charges -2 plus 12 plus 14. See, -2 plus 12 plus 14. Total how much? Plus 26 minus 2 plus 24. Reactant side plus 24 is there. Even product side 2 into plus 3 plus 6 into 6 into plus 3 18. Total plus 24. Reactant side total positive charge is plus 24. Product side also plus 24. Everything is balanced. So this is the balancing of redox reactions by using ion electron methods or half reaction methods. See, in this kind of reactions, questions may ask like this: for the reduction of 1 mole of dichromate ion, how many moles of ferrous ions are required? 6 moles of ferrous ions are required. Or for the oxidation of 6 moles of Fe plus ions, how many moles of dichromate ions are required? Or in this reaction, how many moles of H plus ions are involved? 14 moles of H plus ions are involved. Like this in exam, questions may ask. This is in acidic medium. I will give one example for basic medium. Example, permanganate plus I minus gives rise to MnO2 plus I2. This reaction takes place in basic medium. Permanganate ion oxidizes I minus into I2. Permanganate ion, this is permanganate ion. Permanganate ion oxidizes I minus ion into I2 in basic medium. Let us balance this equation in basic medium. See, first step. First one, write down the oxidation number of every element on its symbol and identify the elements whose oxidation numbers have changed. In permanganate ion, oxidation number of manganese is plus 7. For oxygen, minus 2. For iodine, minus 1 is given. In MnO2, oxidation number of manganese plus 4. For oxygen, minus 2. For I2, 0. I2, neutral molecule, home atomic molecule, 0. Here oxidation number of manganese changes from plus 7 to plus 4. For oxidation number of manganese decreases from plus 7 to plus 4. Decreasing of oxidation number is called reduction. This is reduction reaction. Next, iodine oxidation number increases from minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0. Here, see, 2 moles of iodine atoms are there, but here only 1 is there. Balance the iodine atoms. Okay, first just let us identify minus 1 to 0 increases oxidation number, oxidation, increasing of oxidation number is oxidation, plus 7 to plus 4 decreasing of oxidation number is called reduction, minus 1 to 0 increasing of oxidation number is called oxidation. Next, here oxidation half reaction is oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction. Divide that given redox reaction into two half reactions: oxidation half reaction, reduction half reaction. So here oxidation half reaction is I minus gives rise to I2. Reduction half reaction is MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2. Next, balance the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Balance the atoms other than oxygen and hydrogen. Here reactant side only one iodine is there, but product side 2 iodines are there. Then multiply with 2, 2i minus, gives rise to I2. Here 1 manganese, here also 1 manganese, balanced. Next, balancing of oxygen atoms. Here no oxygen atoms, just leave it. Here 4 oxygen atoms, MnO4 minus gives rise to MnO2, MnO2 plus 2 moles of water molecules. Here 4 moles of oxygen atoms are there, 4 moles of oxygen atoms. Product side only 2 moles are there, so just add 2 moles of water molecules. So oxygen, balancing of oxygens completed. Reactant side 4 oxygen atoms, product side also 2 plus 2, 4 oxygen atoms. Next, balancing of hydrogen atoms. Here no hydrogen atoms, but here product side 4 hydrogens are there. So MnO4 minus plus, I am adding 4 moles of H plus ions to balance hydrogens. MnO2 plus 2H2O. Balancing of hydrogen atoms. Here no hydrogen atoms, but here product side 4 hydrogens are there. So just add 4 moles of H plus ions. Here very important point. If the reaction takes place in basic medium, after to balance that hydrogen atoms, we have added 4 moles of H plus ions. At the same time, we should add same number of OH minus ions on both sides. To balance hydrogen atoms, we have added H plus ions. 4 moles of H plus ions are added. At the same time, we should add same number of moles of OH minus ions on both sides. So MnO4 minus plus 4 moles of H plus ions, 4 moles of OH minus ions gives rise to MnO2 plus 2 moles of water plus 4 moles of OH minus ions. After balancing hydrogen atoms, we should add same number of moles of OH minus ions on both sides. 4 moles of OH minus ions, 4 moles of OH minus ions. See here it becomes 4 moles of H plus ions plus 4 moles of OH minus ions, which is nothing but 4 moles of water. 4 moles of H plus ions plus 4 moles of OH minus ions, 4 moles of water. Product side 2 moles of water is there, which is nothing but 4 moles of water. But product side 2 moles of water is there. Then cancel the 2 moles of water. So it becomes MnO4 minus plus 4 moles, here 2 moles. It becomes 2 moles. 2 moles of water gives rise to MnO2 plus 4 moles of OH minus ions. MnO2 plus 4 moles of OH minus ions. Now balancing of charges. Manganese atoms already balanced. Oxygen atoms 4 plus 2 6, 2 plus 4 6, hydrogens 4, here also 4. Now balancing of charges. In first half reaction, reactant side minus 2 is there, product side 0 is there. Then 2i minus gives rise to I2 plus 2 moles of electrons. Add 2 moles of electrons towards product sides. Charges are balanced, minus 2, minus 2. In second half reaction, here minus 1 is there, here minus 4 is there. Reactant side minus 1, product side minus 4. Then add 3 moles of electrons towards reactant side. MnO4 minus plus 2 moles of water plus 3 moles of electrons gives rise to MnO2 plus 4 moles of OH minus ions. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 4. Here also minus 4. So now charges are balanced. Next, equalize number of electrons in both the reactions. In first half reaction, 2 moles of electrons are involved. but in second half reaction 3 moles of electrons are involved. For that, multiply with 3, multiply with 2, just crisscross it. Here 2 moles of electrons are there, here 3 moles of electrons are there. Here 2 moles of electrons are towards product side, here 3 moles of electrons are towards reactant side. Just equalize that. For that, just crisscross it into 3 into 2. So net reaction of this one, 6 moles of I minus gives rise to 3 moles of I2 plus 6 moles of electrons. Second half reaction, 2 into 2MnO4 minus plus 4H2O plus 6 moles of electrons gives rise to 2MnO2 plus 8 moles of OH minus ions. Now add these two half reactions. Electrons will get cancelled. Then 2MnO4 minus plus 6 moles of I minus ions plus 4 moles of water gives rise to 2 moles of permanganate ions plus 6 moles of I minus ions plus 4 moles of water gives rise to 2MnO2 plus 3I2 plus 8 moles of OH minus ions. Two moles of permanganate ions plus 6 moles of I minus ions plus 4 moles of water gives rise to 2 moles of MnO2 plus 3 moles of I2 plus 8 moles of OH minus ions. Now once again check all the atoms. Reactant side 2 manganese atoms. Product side also 2 manganese atoms. Reactant side number of oxygens 8 plus 4 12. 2 4s 8, 8 plus 4 12. 4 plus 8 12. Iodines 6 are there. 3 2s 6. Hydrogens 8. 8. Charges minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. 8 into minus 1 minus 8. Charges minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. Here also minus 8. So everything is balanced. These are the balancing of redox reactions.